Alright, two things. I added a second GoPro. I have the silver and the black, and now my phone shows both options. That's pretty good. Second thing, I powered the camera off, and right now I'm trying to power back on. I don't know if it's possible. I didn't think it was possible, but we're trying because it looks like it is possible, because it's showing me the blue antenna on the silver. I have the silver outside, and there's an old car behind us. See that old car? I'm trying to make a video of that car, but GoPro is not helping me right now, because I accidentally powered off the camera from in here, and it does that fine. I do that when I'm done recording, when I get home or when I get to wherever I'm going. I can power off the GoPro from here and it'll save battery, but powering on, it's almost impossible, and I've never been able to do it. Right now I'm trying because it shows the blue antenna, so it's telling me it's connected, it's available, but I'm not getting any luck. The old car is running away. The old car is running away, guys. Cool old car. I used to have one of those cutlasses, but it's gone. We didn't make a cool video because GoPro failed us again. It's gone.